I'm ready for this.
Love this song.
Yep. Reminds me of pizza.
No, it doesn't. You would have stayed behind him. No. I'm going with you, but it's okay, because I'm saving gas. Such a big I can't breathe for the first time. I'm sounding out. Yeah. He wanted to get over in my lane, in between me and this Explorer.
Yeah.
So I just lay on the horn.
Yeah.
Then he gets back in the left lane, makes a U-ey.
What?
Oh my word.
Stupid
Love song. Yeah, yeah. Since you know you had the chance to blow it. Out of sight, out of mind. Shut your mouth and I just can't take it.
I like pizza.
Shut up!
Are you gonna do like some sort of Italian thing when you did this? You did this, and I'll probably just be like, yeah, pizza's so good, man. Hey, Jonah. Do you have a lighter?
I do, in fact.
Oh.
It'll be ready in a few moments.
Oh, I didn't actually need it. It was a joke. I have a breadstick, not a cigarette.
Keep rolling with it, man.
Yeah, it doesn't sound good. Look, man, I got this dank kush.
Oh, it's ready.
Oh, sweet. Yeah.
You didn't even do it.
Oh, yeah, you're right. It went away.
It doesn't. It's still hot.
It's not gonna actually work.
It should.
Just add some effects of smoke in there. Alright guys, so pretty much he woke me up early. I didn't have time to eat, so I got this leftover dinner box pizza from Pizza Hut, and I just stacked in a bunch of pizza and breadsticks in there, and I'm eating the breadstick right now. It's all cold, by the way, and that's the best way to eat some pizza. I don't know if Jonah just yelled. Did you yell?
Yeah, I did.
Okay, because the guy stopped what he's doing. He does. I just saw him peek. He's like this. Sometimes I think, is life really worth it? If you can't eat cold pizza and not like it, I like to say, life is like, you can live life, you know, contently without eating cold pizza. Like, I get it. Some people don't like it. It's not their thing. But for me, I like cold pizza, and that's what makes life great. If you can't enjoy cold pizza, then what's the point, man? What's the point? You're not gonna get a good job. You won't have nice cars. I think you'll get more women, though, if you don't like cold pizza. I think that's been proven. I know Jennifer Lawrence might. So that's why, like, hey, that's why she's single, and that's why she's rich, okay? Because she eats cold pizza. It's not about her acting skills. It's not about the Oscar nominations and all that jazz and junk. It's all about the cold pizza. You hear me? It's all about the cold pizza! Oh, hey, buddy.
You okay?
Yeah. Yeah, I was just eating.
Cool.